Hi! Share ko sa inyo paano ako mag-withdraw dito sa Shopback account ko. And na-earn ko to through shopping online. As you can see, meron na tayong available to withdraw na 1,167.26. Click lang natin yung withdraw. Then ilalagay ko na dito yung amount na gusto kong withdrawin. Lagay natin 1,167. Then click withdraw. And click verify via mobile number. A verification code will be sent to your cell phone number and then ilalagay mo lang. So, view withdrawal history, makikita nyo. October 26 ang estimated completion. Ginawa ko itong withdrawal ay October 21. So, 5 days bago pumasok yung pera sa aking GCash account. So, that will be all for this video. I hope may natutunan kayong valuable information. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and